In this video, we will look at how to construct a simple query. You're on the new query screen. Give your query a name. For example, test-CDS. Type your search into the natural language bar, something like adults with asthma. If a term has multiple meanings, Cohort Discovery will ask you to clarify. Select the exact concept you need. Your query builds automatically. The query tree shows a visual representation of all the rules in your query. The hierarchy panel shows the query structure in a condensed, list-based format. Before running your query, use the preview window to check your query logic. Once your query is ready, click Run Query in the top right to execute. It's that simple. Natural language, precise results. Full control, with no coding required.